Hi, I'm Mike Stevenson, Technical Services Team Lead with Adaptive Display Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to replace a controller in an A-series display. First, we disconnect power to the sign. There are a few ways to do this. The easiest, however, is to flip the breaker supplying the display with its main incoming feed. Our next step is to remove the driver board that resides just over the component we're trying to replace. If you'd like to know how to remove the driver board, feel free to watch one of our other videos in the series, How to Remove an A-Series Driver Board. You see here that I already have the power disconnected, the driver board removed, and the controller board exposed. So the first thing we do when we take a controller board out is to disconnect all of the cables. You see there I just got the Ethernet communication, the HDMI, the power, and the RS-485 communication. Now we remove the screws that hold the controller board in place onto the plate. Now I'd suggest you get a thin Phillips head screwdriver like I have here. Makes it easier to get these screws out. You want to be careful that you don't drop the screws. They are quite tiny and you can lose them in the bottom of the sign. And there's the fourth one, and our controller board will come right out. Now I've got our new controller board right here, and what I usually do in this case is I put the controller board in there, line it up on the posts, but then I'll take the HDMI connector and I'll go ahead and plug that in. It holds the controller board in place onto the posts so that I can use two hands to put the screws in. All right, now that we got our screws in, we can reconnect all of our cables. There's the RS-485 COM and our power. And our communication via the Ethernet cable. So that's it. Put your driver board back on, re-energize the sign, and you're done. Thanks for watching.